Okay, so this was minus I effect of chlorine and plus Me effect of chlorine, in which plus Me effect is dominating. Therefore, in chlorobenzene, when you do the alkylation, the alkyl groups sit at ortho and para. Ortho and para. So, and you know that ortho isomer is very close to the two adjacent groups. Repulsions are there. Para groups. In para isomer, the groups are separated by 180 degrees opposite direction. So, para is always major because of less repulsions. It's a common sense. Okay. దూరం ఎంత ఉంటుందో, దూరం ఎంత దూరంగా ఉంటుందో, that is very beautiful. ఓకే, గ్రూప్స్ కూడా ఎంత దూరంగా ఉంటాయో అంత స్టేబుల్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యు గో త్రూ ది ఫ్లైట్, ఓకే, వెనెవర్ నువ్వు ఫ్లైట్ లో వెళ్తున్నావు అనుకో, కొంచెం పైకి ఎక్కాక ఈ కింద ప్రపంచాన్ని చూస్తే అందంగా స్టార్స్ లాగా కనిపిస్తాయి. అదే దగ్గరకు వచ్చావు అనుకో, కిందికి దిగాక మళ్ళీ అవే మొహాలు, అవే ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్. ఓకే, సో దూరం ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందో పారా ఐసోమర్ చెప్తుంది. సో ఆల్వేస్ పారా ఐసోమర్ ఇస్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ దాన్ ది ఆర్థో ఐసోమర్. Okay, now take next example, carbonyl group. What is carbonyl group? Any, listen, carbonyl group means the carbon. Listen better, wherever you have carbon with a double bond oxygen, understand, ekkadaina sare whatever it is compound, urea, aldehyde, ketone or a carboxylic acid are derivatives of carboxylic acid, like esters, amides, acid chlorides, okay, anhydrides. All these are known as carbonyl compounds. And note this point, in acid anhydrides it contains two carbonyl groups. Okay, so here if a molecule, okay, if any group is having this carbonyl group, definitely this shows what? Minus I effect. That shows the minus I effect with SOx. Okay, nitrogen groups, sulfur, oxygen and halogens laga. These all groups which have the carbonyl group, they shares the minus I effect. Undoubt. Okay, undoubt. But we have seen that this nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen and halogen groups, though they were minus I, but showed plus Me or plus R because of their lone pair present only. So see here, if this group is attached to the carbon, or say what is that? Unsaturated system. And what is that system? That is system is what? Special. What is that? Conjugated. That is conjugated unsaturated. Okay, if this group is attached to the carbon of conjugated unsaturated, it shows minus Me effect. Or you can say it is minus Re effect. Minus mesomeric effect, or you can say minus resonance effect. Why? చెప్పండి ఫటాఫట్. Why? లోన్ పేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, డైరెక్ట్ ఆటం పైన అక్కడ లోన్ పేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దే యాడ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ప్లస్ Me. ఇక్కడ లోన్ పేర్ ఉందా? No lone pair. Is that clear? They don't have lone pair. Okay, what they have? The pi bond. Okay, pi bond, and this pi bond is with what? Oxygen. Okay, and you all know that the oxygen is the second most electronegative element. Avuna kada? Oxygen is the second most electronegative element in whole periodic table. The first is fluorine with value 4. Fluorine spelling నుంచి లైన్ తీసి పడేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది, ఈజీ గుర్తు పెట్టుకో. After that oxygen 0.5 difference. After that chlorine 0.5 difference. 4, 3.5, 3. Then nitrogen also same as chlorine. Okay, so if any group having carbonyl group, okay, carbonyl group, though it is minus I, it shows what? Minus Me also. Because of no lone pairs on this carbonyl carbon. So these groups withdraw the electron. From the conjugated unsaturated system. Now, if I put here H, aldehyde. If I put here R, keto. If I put here OH, carboxylic acid. If I put here OR, ester. If I put here, okay, in place of this hydrogen, If I put here Cl, acid chloride, if I put here NH2, amide, NH2, amide. If I put here, once again, O, COR, what is this one? Anhydride or cyanide also there. Okay, cyanide also, one more group. And see here, this NH, sorry, this NR3 plus, NR3 plus group is also what? NR3 plus, note this point, NR3 plus, this also shows minus because by loss of the lone pair of nitrogen, it is having what? Plus charge. Okay, ఎందుకంటే 3 bonds వచ్చేసి R groups తో ఉన్నాయి, బాగుంది. ప్లస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? ఆ ఉన్న లోన్ పేర్ పోయింది కాబట్టి, ఎన్నో లోన్ పేర్ పోయింది కాబట్టి దీని ఏమంటారు? క్వాటర్నరీ అమోనియం గ్రూప్, క్వాటర్నరీ అమోనియం గ్రూప్. ఓకే, because of this positive charge, okay, though it is nitrogen and attached to the conjugated unsaturated system, it will try to withdraw the electron from the carbon chain. Okay, it will take the electron from a carbon chain. So as it is withdrawing electron from carbon chain, the carbon chain is conjugated unsaturated system, shows a mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Okay, etc. I have written here. So now we'll see the effect like benzoic acid, benzaldehyde. Okay, benzoic acid, why lone pair gone? Because lone pair is lost because here remember nitrogen can form generally 3 bonds because in its outermost shell having 4 orbitals, 2s and 3 p orbitals. Okay, s orbital 3 p orbitals ఉన్నాయి. 1 plus 3 4 orbitals, 4 orbitals. In the 4 orbitals one having lone pair. So in ammonia the 3 bonds with hydrogens are with 3 odd electrons. There is one lone pair. If that lone pair is given to any group by coordinate covalent bond, so the donor of coordinate covalent bond pair gets positive charge. So because of coordinate covalent bond, okay, and NO2 group also, it is always minus I minus Me and minus Re. Okay, so we'll see one aldehyde group. What do you see here? Tell me, what is this molecule? What is this molecule? Cyclohexane. It's not benzene. Is it benzene? Kadu. Okay, it is cyclohexane. Why cyclohexane? Because cyclic structure, each corner stands for the carbon and each corner connected by single line. Single line means alkane, cyclohexane. If it is having alternate, if it is having double bond, cyclohexene. One more, cyclohexadiene. 1, 3 cyclohexadiene. Di means 2. Then put one more. It is 1, 3, 5 cyclohexatriene. What is this molecule? Benzene, commonly known as. Its IUPAC name is 1, 3, 5 cyclohexatriene. And this molecule is having conjugated system. Each two pi bonds are separated by a sigma, which is alternated, conjugated, and because of presence of this conjugated system or the pi bond, it is unsaturated. Because of this pi bond unsaturated and the pi bonds are in a alternate position called as conjugated unsaturated system. So this molecule shows a mesomeric effect with plus I group, minus I group, or plus M group, or minus M group. So say if this group is attached with the aldehyde group, the prefix for the aldehyde group CHO is formyl, where suffix is al, aldehyde al. So here CHO, I'm writing like this, opening this structure. Okay, this is CHO, aldehyde group. Now, this carbonyl group is attached directly to the conjugated unsaturated system. Okay, now the pi bond, double bond of this CO bond is separated by single bond to the CC double bond, means still conjugated. So, in conjugated system, here it's a common sense that as no electron pair on the carbon and oxygen is being electronegative, the bond will move in favor of oxygen. It is truth. Like always, according to first law of thermodynamics, heat transfer from the hot body to cold body. Liquid flows from the water flows from the uphill to downhill, uphill to downhill. Like that, truth is that always electrons move towards the electronegative element. What are the electronegative elements? SOx. Okay, sulfur, oxygen, halogens, and nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen, as they don't have any positive charge, till they don't have any positive charge. Okay, or till they don't have any loss of electron. Okay. Okay, so here what happens here, the pi bond will move in favor of oxygen. So what we get here, the pi bond as it is moving towards the oxygen. So next structure will be what? Here it is. No change in this benzene ring. No change in this benzene ring. Okay, this is carbon, hydrogen as it is, and this is oxygen. So as the totally bond is shifted on the oxygen, so what happens? Oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes a positive. Carbon becomes a positive. So here, the next takes place. It is true that next, here from the benzene ring, what is that? Conjugated pi system. Now from the conjugate pi system, the pi bond is moving towards sigma. Moving towards a sigma. That is mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Okay. So as the electron is, this pi bond is shifting. Ikkada bond ila vellipoyindi. So who is losing electron? This ortho. So this moving of, shifting of, complete transfer of pi bond towards the sigma in conjugative mechanism is called mesomeric effect. So here you get here, see that there is a loss of electron in this conjugated unsaturated system, means electrons are subtracted from the system, that is withdrawn, minus Me effect. Okay, and so what will the structure you get here? This group. Okay, what you get here? This carbon of benzene ring ortho will develop positive charge, and here with this carbonyl carbon it will have a double bond, still it is O minus, and this is H plus, H. Okay, so when the M minus Me group is there, the ortho and para will become positive. So ఈ పాజిటివ్ ఆర్థో అండ్ పారా దగ్గర కొత్తగా వచ్చే ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ కూర్చుంటుందా? నో, బికాస్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ is positive, ortho para in presence of minus Me are also positive. We know that plus plus never attract. So therefore, in presence of minus Me group, the incoming, newly coming electrophile will sit at meta position, because meta is neutral charge. Neutral is more electron dense than the positive. Okay, positive. And next we'll see one example. అమ్మా నా పేరు కొట్టి యూట్యూబ్ లో చూడండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ అదర్ కొన్ని రివిజన్ లాగా కొన్ని మామూలు పిల్లలకి రాసినవి ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, యు గో త్రూ దెమ్. Okay, now see here. Now take the see here. Okay, example. Okay, వినండి. ఒక మళ్ళీ షార్ట్ కట్ చెప్తున్నాను. OPM. What is OPM? కనిపించట్లేదేమో, లైట్ పడింది ఇక్కడ. Okay, OPM. What is OPM? Tell me, what is OPM? The poppy seeds అనుకున్నారు, the extract from poppy seeds. Okay, the power somniferum నుంచి వస్తుంది, నల్ల మందు డ్రగ్స్ అనుకున్నారు. No, ఆర్థో పారా meta. So remember this OPM. Okay, once again mnemonic for you. So whether it is okay ortho para meta, whether it is plus some effect or minus some effect, the effect is more on the O. Next P. Next M. Sometimes this ortho will be dominating or para and ortho will be same also. The order will be what? OPM order. Remember OPM order for the mesomeric effect. So effect is more on the ortho than para. The next meta. But some cases the para and ortho will have a same. Okay. So see here. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Listen all of you. I'm explaining here the strength of acid, carboxylic acid by mesomeric effect. So when you use mesomeric effect, the carbon system must be answer. The carbon system must be conjugated pi system. అంటే benzene laga undali. Benzene laga undali. Okay. Benzene laga undali. You should not apply it to propanoic acid, ethanoic acid, butanoic acid. They are saturated. Here you want conjugated unsaturation. So see here, as you know, this is benzoic acid. Okay, it is benzoic acid. We know that benzoic acid is acid. Okay, name itself is benzoic acid. It is aromatic carboxylic acid. It ionizes and releases proton and forms benzoate anion and H plus proton. So it is what a Bronsted acid. It is having only one group. Now it is acid. We know that it is acid. Okay, also it is acid because the solution pH will be less than 7. And as you know that as pH become much more less than the 7, acidic strength is more. Then pK will be much more less. Then K will become more. So how do you make faster the dissociation? And ఇప్పుడు ఇది dissociate అవుతుంది. This is dissociating and giving a proton. It is acid. Okay, it is an acid. ఇంకా నేను దీన్ని స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్ చేస్తాను అనుకో. ఓకే అనుకో, నేను ఈ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ యొక్క అసిడిక్ స్ట్రెంత్ నేను పెంచాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? నువ్వు ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. అంటే నువ్వు వంట చేస్తున్నావు, బాగుంది, ఉప్పు కారం అన్ని కరెక్ట్ గా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఇంకా నేను స్పైసీగా చేస్తా అనుకుంటున్నావు. అర్థమైందా? ఇంకా స్పైసీగా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నావు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు? కొంచెం కారము ఉప్పు యాడ్ చేస్తావు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే we know that the benzoic acid is acid. Okay, this is what benzoic acid is acid. Everyone knows. If you want to make it to more stronger acid to increase the acidic nature. Listen here, to increase the its acidic nature. Tell me what is to be added. You have to add like mirchi masala. You have to add some group which is withdrawing electron. So in presence of minus semi group, acidic nature increases because this minus semi group withdraws electron from the carbon chain. Okay, this carbon ring, therefore release of proton will become much more stronger. So if you put here, what is that? One more carboxylic group, or if you put here NO2 group or any carbonyl group, then what happens? The release of proton will become fast. And in such cases, what happens? The pH will be much more less than the 7, and pK will be very, very less. Then K will be more. When K means dissociation constant. As it is having more Ka, more is dissociation, more is H plus is produced, and more is H plus is produced, more is acidic nature. So minus semi groups increases the dissociation of acid, increases acidic strength. Whereas in turn లేదు ఉప్పు కారం ఎక్కువైపోయింది, మిర్చి మసాలా ఎక్కువైపోయింది, అసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఎక్కువైపోయింది, వద్దురా బాబు నేను తట్టుకోలేను, దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తావు? అప్పుడు నువ్వు కొంచెం నీళ్లు కలిపేసి అంత బాగుంది, ఓకే ఫైనల్ గా నేను తట్టుకోలేను, సో యాడ్ సమ్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాటర్, ఉప్పు కారం తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో టు దిస్ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఇఫ్ యు యాడ్ ఏ ప్లస్ సెమీ గ్రూప్, when you add plus semi group, which is electron donating group. In this case, okay, this electron donating group is working like water. Okay, it will add electron to the system. So when the hydrogen gets electron from the carbon chain, the carbon chain getting from the plus Me group, then what happens? The hydrogen will not be released as H plus. ఎందుకంటే H plus అంటే hydrogen without electron. వెనక నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి గ్రూప్స్ ఇది H plus లాగా వెళ్ళదు. So in presence of plus Me group, the acidic nature decreases. The acidic nature decreases. Dissociation constant Ka decreases. So for this, what is that group? Plus Me group. Any group having which is directly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, if they have a lone pair, it shows what? Plus Me, like your nitrogen socks. Okay, nitrogen socks. Still there is no positive charge on the these what it is, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen and halogens. So I will take one example. It was concept. The same is true with the aromatic amines also. There is amines also. In reverse case. So benzoic acid is acid. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. Ring వేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటికి మీకు తెలుసు. It is conjugated system having the alternated pi bonds. Okay, now I'm writing here. Same benzoic acid. Here also writing one more benzoic acid. Okay, all are benzoic acid. Here in first one I'm putting plus Me group. Plus Me group. So if I put here OH on the ortho position. What is this one? Orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Orthohydroxy benzoic acid, which is known as commonly salicylic acid. Okay, salicylic acid, which is a drug in which is what is that? Aspirin. That is aspirin. Next, okay, next here put minus Me group. Put NO2. So because of minus Me, this nitrobenzoic acid, what happened? Acidic nature increases. So it is nitrobenzoic acid stronger acid than normal benzoic acid than the hydroxybenzoic acid. Then pK value for this first one will be less. Will be more. pKa will be more for this one. Okay, write down only. Here also for this pKa, because this will be more. Then for this lesser compared to the salicylic acid. Then for this nitrobenzoic acid much more less. Okay, so pKa values decrease as acidic strength increases. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, call me or message. Okay, call me. I hope you understand. Thank you.